Hi, my name is Daniel Powell. I'm so excited to be here at FreightWaves today to tell you a little bit more about what we are doing here at Optimal Dynamics. And I hope that everyone at home is safe and well. We are in unprecedented times, and the trucking industry has taken this crisis and placed it on its shoulders. Making decisions in a normal course is hard, and everyone has been forced to make difficult decisions over the last 7 to 8 months, and is going to be forced to continue to make these difficult decisions well within 2021. Fortunately, Optimal Dynamics was founded by the team who literally wrote the book in logistics optimization and nearly 40 years of world-leading research and development, helping companies make the most difficult decisions in automation and decisions within logistics. If you are a for-hire carrier, private fleet, or a shipper who manages their dedicated network closely, Optimal Dynamics is extremely excited to present Core AI, the decision layer of logistics. So let's dive in. Today, we are going to take you through the entire truckload planning suite of Core AI, starting with our strategic platform. Core AI strategic solution allows you to answer the difficult what-if questions you've always wanted to ask. Using a breakthrough technology called high-dimensional artificial intelligence, Core AI enables you to model every detail about your company, including the uncertainties you deal with in the actual real world. It has saved companies tens of millions of dollars per year. The great part about Core AI is that it allows you to ask the difficult what-if questions you've always wanted to know. So let's go ahead and do that. First, we can easily see the shippers and lanes that we operated on a normal basis. And Core AI allows us to easily filter and explore this data. Let's go see if there's any lanes that are costing us money. Core AI produces something called True Profit. True Profit understands that there's more to a load than just the top line costs. For example, moving drivers into areas that are going to be difficult to get them back home, or moving it into an area with a lot of profitable loads. And factors this in to the true profit. True profit is an accurate barometer on what a load is really costing you. And we can easily identify these lanes that are costing us the most money. From there, we can always use powerful what-if questions and analysis to understand what if we didn't move that lane anymore. If we create a new configuration and save it, we can easily go ahead and start asking these questions of, what if I ran this company without that unprofitable lane? This powerful what if questions is the backbone of what makes the Core AI strategic platform a very unique solution for carriers. Core AI also allows you to easily compare scenarios to understand the benefits from one scenario to the other. Let's compare scenario 1 versus scenario 2, which was the result of a couple additional changes. We can quickly understand improvements in revenue, but decreases in profitability. I'm not sure this is a scenario that we want to put in production, but we've learned this in just a couple clicks. And the Core AI solution allows you to understand exactly the right decisions before you ever put them into production. Core AI also allows you to ask the difficult driver questions, understanding how many drivers you should have in different areas, and allow you to play the same what-if games. What if we had a couple more drivers in this location, and we can run the same before and after scenarios as we did with the network? Coming out soon, Core AI's bidding solution will allow carriers to respond to bids not only in a fraction of the time, but at an accuracy they've never been able to do before. Core AI allows companies to understand exactly how much bids should cost their company, and allows them to identify the cost that they should expect to move those loads. We can model different levels of pricing and run these configurations to see the impact on our bottom line. With automation in mind, the Core AI operational platform takes the burden of day-to-day decisions off your shoulders and allows you to drive significant optimization. Our operational platform can be broken down into 2 blocks: load acceptance and allocation, and real-time dispatching. So let's start with load acceptance. The load acceptance and tactical planning tool is one of the most impactful tools Optimal Dynamics supports. Load acceptance allows you to proactively manage your network, and powered by one of the most advanced optimization platforms in the world, it automates and optimizes exactly which loads you should move. For a for-hire carrier, This might be deciding which loads are going to be moved with your internal assets versus your brokerage. For a private fleet, this may be understanding which loads to be moved with your private fleet and which loads to be moved with your purchase capacity. The load acceptance solution often drives profits by 10 to 20%. In addition, through a feature called Future Visibility, Core AI can also accept loads weeks into the future at more than 98% accuracy, and also proactively notifies you if there are potential service issues and will recommend an alternative load to fix the issue. Once you're happy with the recommendations, you can go ahead and accept them with one click, and they can be deployed right back into your TMS system. Tactical system can also be deployed in a purely no integration approach, allowing you to just drag and drop files in this on a daily basis, allowing you to get up and running in record time. Moving into one of our more automation-focused platforms, the dispatching solution really takes the burden off of deciding which driver should we take which load, driving automation by up to 90% in terms of day-to-day dispatching decisions, and driving operational efficiencies as well. Core AI also learns the little things needed to operate your trucking network, whether that be learning your most important customers, to Robert doesn't like going west of the Mississippi, or Suzanne needs to be back Friday for her son's birthday. Core AI will execute this while driving maximum profit. And just like the load acceptance tool, you can easily, in one click, accept and dispatch, working through tens to hundreds of loads in just a simple click. If you'd like to get in touch, please send us a Slack message on our FreightWaves Slack channel, visit our virtual booth, or send us an email at hello@optimaldynamics.com. Thanks again, and please stay safe.